Cooking is so easy. Why going on in the kitchen? Everyone is just yelling. I accidentally made a mochi. Who bought a shark? That's not part of the ingredients. Why the hell are there both cookies inside my pizza dough? Who made 2,000 cupcakes? They only said 2. I forgot to buy the restaurant! Why would you forget to buy the restaurant? Someone's gonna get those eggs broken. I ate all the chocolate chips. What do? I put the water. How did you burn the water? Where are the cookies I made? I want to get something and then I came back and it was black. Who put dark matter in the microwave? I ate all the plates, so what do I do? This will go great with the cupcakes. Cheese looks good. It smells! The cookies are overcooked! Why are the Ghostbusters here? Girl, I don't think this is powdered sugar. Who bought red spray instead of pepper? Who bought a perfect with my brain? It's eating the sugar. How the homeless man is trying to get through the drive-thru. Why did you buy the pizza? Uh-oh. Who put all the sugar on the plate? I made an incredible cookie! The flowers could show me! You're a crocodile in the sink! I forgot the salt. Gummy bear stabbed me! Guys, I tried to cook pancakes! Help! It should happen now! I got salt in my eye! Baking brownies killed my grandma, okay? Guys, I'm sorry! I found the flowers! Somebody cracked the wall, damn it! Guys, the cookie that we made a week ago, what should we do?